In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block a problem buyer on Facebook Marketplace. If someone is wasting your time, sending spam, or making you uncomfortable, blocking them stops future contact and helps you keep selling with confidence. I'll walk you through each tap so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening the Messenger app on your phone. This is where your marketplace conversations appear right alongside your regular chats. Give it a second to load and make sure you're signed into the same Facebook account you use for Marketplace. From here, look for the Marketplace section so you can view your buying and selling messages. This collects all your item-related conversations in one place and makes it easy to manage buyers without digging through every chat thread. Next, tap on Marketplace to open the list of conversations tied to your listings. Find the chat with the buyer you want to block. You'll see the item title and the buyer's name on that thread. Tap the conversation to open it. If you have multiple similar chats, double-check the item photo or last message so you're acting on the right person. Inside the chat, look to the upper right corner for the small information icon, the letter I, in a circle. Tap that to open the conversation details. This menu is where Facebook keeps tools for safety and control, like media from the chat, reporting options, and the block settings we need. Now scroll down until you see Block Member and tap it. You're about to confirm who you want to block, so take a moment to review the name and profile. If a list appears, tap on the specific person you want to block to make sure there's no confusion. This step ensures you're applying the block to the correct buyer, especially if you've had multiple inquiries on the same item. Finally, tap block to confirm. That's it. The buyer will no longer be able to message you in that conversation or reach out to you about your listings from that account. They aren't notified that you blocked them, and the chat will stop receiving new messages from them. If you change your mind later, you can unblock the person from your Facebook settings, but for most sellers, blocking solves the immediate problem. To recap, open Messenger, go to Marketplace, open the buyer's chat, tap the info icon, scroll to Block Member, select the person, and confirm block. Use this anytime a buyer becomes a problem so you can focus on genuine, respectful transactions. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.